Tips number 1 goes on crossing the road again. So stick together when you're crossing the road, all in one go at the same time. Come on, let's go. Oh God. Wow, that's an experience. As always, that's one of the top 5 tips. People, for tips of the day on the go. When you're driving in Vietnam, you keep the right. Second thing, if you do a motorbike tour, bring your sunglasses because you get a lot of dust in your eyes and that helps to protect your eyes. Third thing, keep using your horn whenever you're taking over someone. That's what the locals do to let other people they're overtaking or just they're coming by. Fourth tip, whenever you are in a big cross with a lot of traffic, it's really crazy. So people just put their hand in front to let other people know to stop. But everyone is doing that, so I don't know who is stopping. Another tip, always tie up your bag around you. I've got 3 guys already coming around me because I had the camera out, so yeah. For your camera, put a strap and just wrap it around your hand, around your neck. Don't let it hang on the shoulder and stuff, because I heard there's a lot of pickpockets and people on the scooters just passing by grabbing stuff, so make sure you got your stuff tight in your hands. So if you guys want to take some close-up, ask the people, they're really friendly and they just smile and they're ready for the pictures in Asian way. I was just walking on the main road and I see this amazing alley where no one goes, man. So these are the things you want to explore or take into consideration when you think about photography and videography, like places where no one dares to go or times where no one dares to wake up, you know. That's a tip again, to take some nice photos or different photos from anyone else, I guess. Good news, guys, I just had a great night, recorded everything, and I just deleted all the footage. So tip of the day, don't do these things, don't transfer files when you're tired as If you have a long ride on the train, make sure you get some snacks and proper food as well, proper dinner, because on the train there's not much, and our guide said it's not great food either, so grab as much as you can before getting on the train. Another trip for train rides. You're probably wondering where the ladder is. There's no ladder, that's the point. There's a nice little step there. That's for your foot. And these handles up here for your hands. So you can just do that. And there. Bad. We're stopping by here somewhere. So cool. If you don't have food, you can stop in one of these station and grab some food straight away. Tip of the day. On the bus, sit in the back. Yeah. Because the drivers are mad here, man. Like, we did some overtakes. Quite scary, to be honest. So yeah, sit in the back, safe.
Because in Vietnam, in the past, Chinese has invaded here for 1,000 years. It is my experience. Whenever you want to find a old restaurant, you find, like, on the poster they have a Chinese name and Vietnamese name.
This is the place, Bang Mi Phuong, we don't know. So the tip is that actually Thang said, there's a lot of you outside, come inside, get a seat, and you'll be served in a few minutes. One tip is, guys, I think the 20,000 dong note is blue as the... That's a tip we've been given. Be careful when you change your cash or you give cash to people, not to mistaken it.